Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make these beautiful, delicious apple cinnamon muffins. So let's run to the kitchen. So here are my ingredients that I will be using. And here I have 200 grams of brown sugar or 1 cup of brown sugar. And you can also use white sugar if you want. And I added ½ cup of vegetable oil. Next, I'm going in with 2 teaspoons of vanilla and then 2 eggs, room temperature, please, not cold eggs. Then I'm going in with ½ cup of whole milk, room temperature as well. And you can use your other kind of milk if you want. So now I'm going to go ahead and whisk up all that ingredients together. Make sure you get it nice and smooth and good. Okay, so let's put that aside and let's work on the dry ingredients. Come through, dry stuff. So here I have 210 grams of plain flour. I sifted it and I add or all-purpose flour, and I added ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon ginger. The ginger is optional, right? But put the salt in there. And then I'm gonna go in with 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, ½ teaspoon baking soda, and then 1 teaspoon baking powder. If you only have baking powder, then use the baking powder and add whatever I use for the baking soda measurement, right? So that would be total 1½ teaspoon baking powder, if that's all you have. So I also added 1½ teaspoon cinnamon and mix everything together, whisk it all. And then now I'm gonna add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And then we are gonna cut and fold. Me say cut and fold. Cut and fold, and don't overmix the mixture, right? Just take your time and add it. And I did it in 2 parts because that's easier for me. So I did half at first and then I added the next half. But yeah, don't overmix. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add the apples afterwards. So it's gonna be 3 medium apples. I peel them and core them. So make sure you take out the inside, peel off all the skin and take out the seed and everything that is on the inside. I dice them really small because I don't like big chunks of anything in my muffin, right? And yeah, so I fold that in, and then now I'm gonna get my muffin tray and my little muffin inserts, and I'm gonna insert them into the muffin tray. So yeah, let's go ahead and scoop. So I'm using my ice cream scoop just because it would be easier to get it in the muffin thing that way, right? So yeah, go ahead and use whatever you have. If it's spoon, then come through with your spoon. By the way, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit, right? So yeah, anything left over after you've filled all the thing, then just equally divide them into the muffin things. So here I have 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, and I added 1¼ teaspoon ground cinnamon, and I mix that up. I'm just gonna put it on the top of some of the muffin. I'm not doing all of them, just some of them, because yeah, I mean, why all of them? For me, not for me, I don't need all of them to have that on there, right? Because it's some extra sugar and niceness, right? Yeah, so some have it and some don't have it. So here it is, and I'm gonna put these into the oven for 18 minutes or 19 minutes. Just check them after 18 minutes to see if the toothpick comes out clean. And here they are, and I'm gonna check. Woo, look at it, nice and clean. Yes, and even if it's a little bit damp, that is okay, right? But yeah, beautiful. So here we have it, Vibes fam. Here we have these delicious, moist, when I tell you, they are just nice on the inside. I should have broken one and shown it to you, right? Yeah, I'm sorry, but yeah, Vibes fam, delicious. Talk about delicious, just nice. And look at the ones up there. Those are the ones that have the sugar and the cinnamon on the top. The ones in the back right there, yeah, Vibes fam, just nice. I'm telling you, nice with a cup of coffee, nice with a cup of your regular milk tea, just nice. But thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below and tell me, what would you have this with? Tea or juice? I don't know, but give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. God bless you.